Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can speed up video in the VideoLeap app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go and open the VideoLeap app. So in matter of seconds the VideoLeap app will load itself and you will be redirected to its home screen. So now you need to just click on the plus sign and click on new projects and select a video from your gallery. After you select the video, you need to tap on the video, scroll down through the options provided and click on the speed. So once you click on speed, you can now adjust your video speed by just scrolling your video. So to basically speed up your video, all you need to do is stretch the speed bar to the right hand side. Similarly, if you stretch the speed bar to the left hand side, it will decrease the speed of your video. So this was how you simply speed up your video on VideoLeap. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.